Okay, this will be the first cut for the Troy Bilt lawnmower. What do you think of your new gift?
I think it's awesome.
It's awesome, isn't it? We're going to have to adjust the wheels a little bit on this. We're going to go with the height like it is. See how easy it may be to start for her. And she's going to cut the grass with it. Got the self-propel figured out. Got the handles lowered a little bit for you, be your size. So let's see how easy this will be to start for you. And let's pull that rope, see if you can get it to start. See if it'll work for you. All right, there you go. Great. Getting the hang of it now. It runs great. Takes a little bit getting used to the self-propel, when to stop it. Job. So I want to give a shout out here for Basha Today, her YouTube channel. She does metal detecting, but Basha Today, how do you like your brand new used lawnmower? Is that not love or true love or what?
Yeah, it's true love.
That's right.
Thank you.
You like that, huh?
Absolutely.
All right, nice arms too, by the way.
Well, you know, I had to push that other mower.
I know.
Manual. Now it's time for an upgrade.
All right, she'll get used to this. Very nice mower. And that Troy Bilt did a great job. She did a great job using it. Centipede is slowly filling in for the year. An overkill lawnmower, but it should last for many years.